Hi, this is Christine. I'm back here today with Gerald Stewart, a local HUD consultant here in the Chicagoland area. Gerald, the common question I get often is, how long does a HUD consultant take when they meet with our client for their appointment, and what do they need to do to prepare? Can you expand a little bit about that?
Absolutely. So typically a inspection can take anywhere from an hour to an hour and a half, depends on how many units are in the building, if the home is occupied or vacant at the time. One of the biggest concerns is, you know, the preparation of the buyer having an understanding of what maybe improvements they would like to have done with the property. If they don't know, we're going to walk them through step by step, room by room, to ask questions in regards to finishes from flooring to ceilings to trim to doors, and as well as in the kitchens and the bathrooms.
Great. And then when you go to the appointment, is that the time where the consumer pays your fee? Is it when you show up at the appointment?
Absolutely. So what typically takes place, there's a pre-qualification, so we have a general idea of what the budget may be that they're looking to spend on construction, and we have a fee schedule that identifies what the rates are based off of those dollar amounts, and that fee is paid at the actual appointment at the conclusion of that inspection.
Great. So if you are going to do a renovation loan, you want to maybe book a couple hours for the appointment. You know, it could be shorter, but make sure you leave a couple hours so you can thoroughly go through the property with your HUD consultant. So I'm here for all your needs. While I do renovation lending, I also can do move-in ready. So if you're unsure if you want to buy a home that's move-in ready, or you might buy a fixer-upper, I can handle both for you. So please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips.